So I'm in my garden and I'm taking a look at my tomato plants today. And these rows I've already kind of spruced up a little bit today. I'll let you see this one over here too. See the little walking path between them. Everything's looking nice and healthy. But I'm going to show you what I'm starting with, because those little alleys do not just create themselves. Here is an example of a row that I have not yet gotten to today. And you see that I did already tie these tomatoes to the supporting fences in here. But you see that the weight of the tomatoes has completely overcome my little, see, here's an example of when I tied it up earlier. See the little tie there? Yeah, but this tomato plant has grown so significantly, it's just completely overcome the ability of that one little tie to hold it up. So I'm going to get some more rope, and I'm going to gently try to help these tomatoes stand up and then tie them so that they are not dragging along the ground anymore. Okay, so here we are after I cleaned it up. So I put some of the smaller tomatoes in the wire cages. Note, that is really hard to do when your tomatoes get big like this, and you really risk damaging them a lot. So I encourage you to use the wire cages when the plants are little teeny weenies and you think, I'm not going to need a cage for this. Look at how little this plant is. That's exactly when you should be putting it on. And then I also used some twine and tied some other stuff up. It is much harder to do this when the plants are already grown. So I should have done this a long time ago, but I didn't. I wanted to point this out. This is what happens when your tomato leaves touch the ground. Do you see how they get this brownish, yellowish kind of, I guess the leaves start to turn yellow and then they get these brown spots. I'm sure that this has a name, but I just call it bad. This is disease that has come from the ground, and to prevent the disease from spreading to the rest of the plant, I am simply going to cut off those branches and throw them away. So there you go. So if you ever wondered why is it that people are so freaked out about putting their tomato plants in stakes and not letting them just grow on the ground like a melon, well, it's because you don't want this.